Hello everyone, this is Tech20 coming to you with a new tutorial. Today we're going to be going ahead and covering how to format data as a table. And if you're finding any of this content helpful to you, please do feel free to leave a like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So what you're going to do is take your data set that you're going to be using for that. And for me, I'm just going to click over here, which will select the entire set of data, make it spaced out so then I can actually see it. Then the easiest way to do this is just to highlight the data first. The next thing you're going to do is come over and click on Format Table, which is under your Styles tab right here. And you're going to go ahead and hit Format as a Table. Now these will give you all the predetermined ones that Microsoft has made for you. You can also make your own, but we'll just do a simple one. So we'll just do the blue with the tab light style, etc., etc. This will ask you to enter the data, and then if your table has headers, you'll go ahead and click OK. And then if you come back over here, you'll go ahead and see that it has been applied to your table, or to your new table now. And you can actually use this top row here to filter, as it'll have all the information there. And then, for example, if I just wanted to select the people named Mark, oh, there's only one Mark Wall. And that is how that works. It actually adds the filter feature to it as well. And if you have found this content helpful, once again, please do feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Also, please feel free to check out one of my other videos on Excel. And if there's anything you'd like to see me cover, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you and have a great day.